Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to GreenTGarden. To my left right there, that's my greenhouse. This is my second year planted in the greenhouse. My first year was no good. Now if you step back right here, I'm going to show you guys a better view. Right there. To my right there, that's my first outdoor garden. So I'm going to show you guys and I'm letting you guys know and my experience so far on the outdoor garden, and I'm gonna share some tips and some tricks and some stuff that I learned personally, and some stuff that really helps and really works, and some stuff that I wish that I know before starting the garden. All right, guys. So standing back right there, we have plants from the right greenhouse and plants to the left. And as you can see, I used to dig the fence down. That's putting around a border just to keep that guy out there. That's my piggy. He will eat all the veggies and all the plants. Eating the veggies is not a problem, but he eat my plants. So that's to keep him out for now. I'm gonna put a better fence and stuff like that. So guys, basically, I started this outdoor garden close to 3 months. I would say close to 3 months. The greenhouse I started before, I would say the greenhouse would probably be like 4 months because it was much warmer in the greenhouse. I started with that section right there. As you can see, my dig defense, as you could see, my weed barrier ended right there, and now I'm expanding. I'm expanding my garden all the way. One of my main tips for starting an outdoor garden, when you have something like this, is weed whack everything out, dig it, rake it, get the soil loosen up, water it. Make sure it's all soft, loosen up soil. And if you guys think that you want to richen up the soil a little bit, add some fertilizer or add some compost to your soil. Mix it all up before starting and water it for a day to two to make sure you have a nice, rich, soft soil, because that's the foundation of your plant. And then I would highly recommend putting a weed barrier down. So these guys, this is a better weed barrier. It comes with a line. I'll leave a link in the description to show you guys the best one. I tried 3 to 4 of them, but this one so far is the best. I ripped out the old one. The old one was garbage. So this one is perfect. It's sturdy, it's strong, and the lines guide you. As you could see, I cut squares hole. This one is probably 6 by 6, and you could still they have some weed will pop up, but you could pull it out. You could make the hole smaller so you have less weed, but I made it more bigger because when the plant grows up, I want to have enough air and oxygen and water and everything to the root, so I cut it a little bigger. But as you could see, uh, first time outdoor, it's a hot mess, guys, but it's coming along, and all my plants, guys, I gotta tell you, everything I've planted from seed, and everything has been growing successful. This plant, I have no idea what is that plant. If you guys know what plant it is, please leave in my comment below, because it was just random seed. I don't know, it's just weird, but I'm still growing it. All right, guys, like you see, we got runners. So basically, I left the middle of this walkway here, so whatever runners I have, like cucumbers and stuff like this, these guys could just run. They could just run all and go down straight. So the weed barrier is a plus, guys. Keeps everything down. And this is when you bought a lot of seed from Amazon and you decide you want to start planting, have a couple stuff, and you didn't realize it's gonna be this much. So this here, guys, is in the back of the greenhouse, and I have 2 bed that it's gonna get crowded soon, so I'm gonna be moving a couple plants to my extended area. So guys, if this is a great idea too, if you don't want to do the whole put down stuff on the ground, you could just get 2 of these bed. They're really cheap, or you could build it on your own, and you put a bunch of soil, a couple bags of soil, and bang, plant your seed or plant your plant, and that's it. It's easy, and they grow. You guys could see these guys are growing amazing. Definitely just gonna have to move though, or else there's not gonna be any room. And over here, this was a last moment kind of thing too. I just decided to extend it here and put a couple seed, but stuff are growing. So if you come over here, this is the area I'll be working. This is some plants, tomato, peppers, all that stuff. And these guys, these are the little ones. These are the smaller plants that I have to really move. Overall tips on how to start off your garden. Finding a right location for your garden, because your garden you can't be moving around. Once you start planting stuff in ground, it's in ground, baby. So make sure you find your right spot. It's make sure you have in sun. Some plants need a lot of sun, so you do some research in that. And another thing, put down the weed barrier. The weed barrier is a plus for me. It's been helping a lot. And you don't have to, you put that down this year, next year, it's still there. It's going good. So I watched a couple videos on that before. All right, hold on, baby. So I watched a couple of videos on that before previously, and I got some tip on some other YouTube creators too myself. So that was a good stuff to share, and I'm sharing it out too back to you guys. So hopefully, you guys put down the weed barrier. It saves you a lot of time, because if you don't put down the weed barrier and you plant stuff, you're gonna have a lot more weed, a lot more bugs, more insect, and more stuff. So that's that. So guys, definitely, outdoor garden is fun. If you're putting in an hour to two, you make sure it's not a lot of work. You just make sure you water, and the main thing is, getting weeds out. Make sure you don't have any weed. I think that one of the main thing in your garden is weed and bugs. Bugs is really hard to control. At the end of the video, I'll leave a link telling you guys about how to get rid of bugs. One of my natural way that I did, and it worked. It's not 100%, but it does pretty good. So guys, starting off a garden is not hard. It's not, it's nothing. It's not a big deal. It's just that if you want to do it, and the benefit of having a garden is awesome. You get fresh veggies. It's amazing to see your plants grow, and it's such a beautiful thing, and it's amazing to watch your stuff grow up. You picking your first veggie, it's amazing. Like, I'm so blown out right now. So I got plants from containers to in ground. I also plant some seed from in ground, and it grow right up. It didn't take that long. So definitely you could bring your plant from outdoor. You could bring your plant from indoor to outdoor and have your own garden. I'm in New York, so we only have a couple months of summer. So that's why I got the greenhouse. And that greenhouse, I'm gonna make another video and show you guys about that greenhouse and what is it to like to have a greenhouse, what is the benefit, and all that stuff about the greenhouse. So guys, there you go, my first outdoor garden. Hopefully this video was helpful in any kind of way. And if you're looking out to start your own garden, or you just start your own garden, let me know how it's going. Leave in the comment below, and any question, just ask right away, guys. And if you're new to my channel, please click the red subscribe button. It's 100% free, and I'll have tons of more videos coming up all about gardens and how to grow and have a better garden.